Hey, what's up, Nightwatch crew? Today I'm on NBA Live Mobile, and I'm gonna do
tortured by Popo's face.
Mr. Popo, and we're gonna open.
Raging fire.
We're gonna open 19 packs today. We got
like 20.
we have 19 altogether. We have 6 pro packs, a legendary pack, one of these coin collectible packs, and a whole bunch of these. People say they're good, and some people say they're not good. So let's start with the pro packs. The trick is, guys, you go from the end into the inside. That was horrible. Bow, 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 bow. Ooh! I got a James Harden. Look.
Oh gosh, you already heard that, did you? You heard nothing.
You heard nothing. That was pretty horrible.
Don't listen to Mr. Popo ever again.
Never.
First rule of Popo's training. Do not talk about Popo's training. Wait, I ruined that rule already.
I wonder why Mr. Popo doesn't want anybody talking about his training. Oh, I got Dwight Howard. But he's not my best center. I'll save that for last. Let's get to this, because this is like a coin collectible. Yeah, that was pretty booty. Booty, booty. Booty. Oh, okay. Whole bunch of bronzes. That would be good for like trophies, I guess. Okay. Sell them for like 100 coins. Ho ho. Do 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 do. Go, Mr. Popo. We've been getting bronzes the whole entire time. At least we have this legend pack. Let's see who we get. Bradley Beal, Joe Johnson. No, that was horrible. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go to my team real quick. Click highest overall. Okay. Oh. I always get a gold trophy from this. James Harden, Kawhi, Draymond, Damian Lillard. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang. Alright, guys. That's it for right now. I'll do some gameplay probably tomorrow. But that's it.